Easy Lift Equipment ELDR air-powered drum dumpers are the safe and ergonomic solution for dispensing drums in areas where DC-powered equipment is not permitted. This video is designed to assist in the training and safe operation of your ELDR drum dumper. Before operating your drum dumper, it is important to read the manuals and become familiar with the proper operations. ELDR models feature a compact straddle leg base frame designed for lighter duty applications in confined areas. At only 27 inches in overall width, these machines are designed to work in congested areas and fit through a standard 30-inch doorway. This ELDR model features our CR clamp for handling drums from 20 to 24 inches in diameter and offers 360-degree endless side rotation either left or right. The compact straddle leg base frame allows for drums to be gripped or released from the corner of a pallet. ELDR models have a weight capacity of up to 500 pounds, contingent on equipment configuration. The 8-inch high clamping pads of the CR clamp are able to fit between the ribs of a steel drum, but is also capable of handling heavy plastic and fiber drums. Before using the drum dumper, the operator should perform a visual inspection of all the hydraulic lines and fittings to check for any leaks or damage to the equipment from previous usage. If any damage is located, contact a supervisor immediately. To begin, connect an end-user supplied male coupling to the brass ball valve with a 1/2-inch NPT female thread and turn on the air supply ball valve. Prior to proceeding, you should verify that all functions are in proper working order by pushing or pulling the corresponding valves, which provide variable speed at the respective function. These functions include lift and lower, rotate left, and rotate right, as well as clamp open and clamp close. The red safety button is required to open and close the clamp. This feature is intended to help prevent the accidental release of an elevated load. Disengage the foot floor lock to manually maneuver the drum dumper. When approaching a drum from the corner of a pallet, use the lift valve so that the clamp is in line with the vertical center of the drum or in between the two center ribs. Open the clamp and push the equipment forward. It is recommended to apply slight forward pressure when clamping a drum so that the CR clamping jaws make firm contact with the operator-facing sidewall of the drum. This will help ensure a secure grip. Only lift the drum to the minimum height needed for proper floor clearance while transporting it to its destination. When lift, clamp, and rotation functions are not needed, always turn off the air supply ball valve. Turning off the air supply ball valve when it is not needed will help prevent accelerated wear of the air motor. When the ELDR drum dumper is in position for dispensing, or you plan to step away from the equipment, always engage the step-down floor lock. Leaving the drum dumper unsecured may allow it to move inadvertently and cause property damage or personal injury. Remove the drum's lid or open the bungs accordingly. Once the drum is in the required dispensing location, lift the drum by pushing on the lift valve gently. This unit raises at a variable speed, which is determined by how much pressure is applied to the valve. Dispense the product by gently pushing or pulling accordingly on the rotate valve. The clamp rotates at a variable speed, enabling easier positioning and accurate dispensing into a tank, mixer, or hopper. Again, always turn off the air supply ball valve when the unit is not in use. Turning off the air supply ball valve will help prevent accelerated wear of the air motor. While dispensing, never leave the unit unattended. Once dispensing is complete, rotate the drum back into vertical position by gently pushing or pulling accordingly on the rotate valve and lowering the drum using the down valve. Never under any circumstances should you lift or suspend loads over people. Close the lid or replace the bungs accordingly. All models are available with optional scales for intrinsically safe and non-intrinsically safe areas for dispensing the contents of drums by weight or performing inventory. Scales are extremely accurate and eliminate the need for pre-weighing materials into other containers on floor scales for batching. In addition to clamping, lifting, and rotating steel drums, the ELDR Drum Dumper with a CR clamp is also capable of handling heavy plastic or fiber drums. The SBR rubber on the clamp is provided with a tacky finish, which is needed to help ensure a secure grip when handling plastic and fiber drums. However, it may be necessary to add either a pony hold down or foot support to reduce the risk of slippage from the clamping jaws. The pony hold down provides support to the top of the drum to help ensure a secure hold when the drum is rotated. The CR clamping jaws have 2 pre-drilled and tapped locations for easy installation and removal of the pony and foot assemblies. Both the pony hold down and foot support are constructed in stainless steel for cleanliness and durability. The CR clamp is designed for handling plastic, fiber, and steel drums from 20 to 24 inches in diameter. However, an optional small drum adapter is also available, which enables the clamp to grip smaller drums down to 14 inches in diameter. The small drum adapter is comprised of 2 individual curved sections with white non-marking rubber vulcanized to the metal curves. The sections are installed over each side of the clamp, then locked into place by inserting a stainless steel pin and circle cotter pin. Repeat the same process on both clamping jaws prior to using the clamp. A pail adapter is also available, specifically designed for handling 5-gallon pails. With the pail adapter installed, the CR clamp has a minimum diameter of approximately 10 inches. This air-powered ELDR drum dumper requires a consistent air supply at 100 psi. The hose and coupling have a ½ inch inside diameter to produce the maximum air from the air and hydraulic power unit. Darcore ergonomic casters allow the operator to easily maneuver the fully loaded machine with minimal effort. For applications requiring the drum dumper to access tanks with recessed openings, a counterbalanced base frame is also available, which provides increased reach for the drum dumper. ELDR drum dumpers come standard with safety yellow powder coating. However, for food or pharmaceutical applications, drum dumpers are available in an FDA-approved metallic gray powder coating, as well as full 304 stainless steel construction. Both include food-grade grease, food-grade hydraulic fluid, and corrosion-resistant lift and rotation chains. When finished, you should always place the drum dumper in a safe location. Close and lower the clamp, engage the foot floor lock, turn off the air supply ball valve, and disconnect the air line prior to walking away from the equipment. We offer a 30-day trial toward purchase program for first-time buyers at 15% of the purchase price. For more information on our products or to discuss the specifics of your drum handling project, please contact us today.